Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 6. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. A triangle of side 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. An equilateral triangle of side 9 cm. An isosceles triangle with equal sides 8 cm each and third side is 6 cm. Right. Let us find the solution of question number 6a. 6a is A, that is question number A is a triangle is there. The triangle, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter, right? Therefore perimeter of the triangle is perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. That perimeter of the triangle is equal to 3 centimeter, 3 plus 4 plus 5 centimeter, and that is equal to 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, that is 12 centimeter. The perimeter of the first figure is 12 centimeter. Now question number B. Question number B is an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter. Equilateral means that all the sides are same. That is it. All the sides are same. That it is 9 centimeter. It is 9 centimeter. And it is also 9 centimeter. Therefore perimeter is equal to perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter of this triangle is sum of all the sides, that is 9 plus 9 plus 9, or you can write 3 into 9 centimeter. 3 into 9 centimeter, that is 3 9 27 centimeter. Right. Now question number C. Question number C is an isosceles triangle with equal sides 8 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter. This is an isosceles triangle, right? Two sides is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and it is also 8 centimeter, and the third side is 6 centimeter. That means perimeter of this triangle is perimeter of this triangle is perimeter of the third triangle is equal to sum of all the sides, that is 8 plus 8 plus 6 centimeter, that is equal to 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 6 22 centimeter. Right. This is the solution of question number 6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.